For millennia, the ocean had held the monopoly on stories. Its waves crashed against barren shores, whispering tales of the deep, of pressure and darkness, of life that thrived without ever seeing the sun. The land, a silent, patient listener, felt a stirring. It was a deep, primal yearning. The land wanted a story of its own, a saga written not in water and salt, but in soil and stone. It was time for a new chapter to begin, one that would change the face of the planet forever. And then it happened. A single, courageous pioneer, a spore, perhaps, or a seed carried by a chance current of wind, found purchase in the damp earth. It was a quiet revolution. Roots, like tentative fingers, reached deep into the soil, seeking anchor, seeking nourishment. Slowly, cautiously, leaves unfurled, opening themselves to the warmth and energy of the distant sun. It was a breathtaking moment. The earth, which had dreamt only in shades of brown, gray, and blue, was now dreaming in color for the first time. And that color, vibrant and full of promise, was green. This single act of bravery sparked a chain reaction across the continents. The wind, once a lonely wanderer over empty landscapes, now had a purpose. It became a messenger, carrying seeds like whispered secrets to new, untouched lands. Rivers, which had carved stark, lonely paths through rock, now learned to meander, to sing softly between the burgeoning green banks. A new symphony began to play across the globe. The rustle of leaves, the hum of insects drawn to the new life, the gentle sigh of the forest. The world began to breathe, a deep, rhythmic inhalation and exhalation, in sync with the rising and setting of the sun. The air itself grew sweeter, cleaner. The land was no longer silent. It was alive, a tapestry of interconnected life. Trees reached for the sky, their canopies creating a vast, protective ceiling. Ferns carpeted the ground below, and moss clung to ancient stones, telling their own quiet stories. Animals drawn from the sea's edge found new homes, new sustenance, new reasons to be. And for the very first time since its fiery birth, the planet found a moment of true peace. It rested, cool and content in its own shade. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this story from the memory of time, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more tales from the Earth's long history. We appreciate your support. See you next time.